Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and I'm going to present you the project named Wiki, which is the course provided by Harvard. On the left side you see specification, on the right side the implementation itself. First specification, entry page. If I go to Wiki and I write CSS, if entry does exist, you should be percentage display content exactly. And if it's not, your request page was not found. The util function is as well used and you will see it in the source code. Now, specification number 2. Index page is reflected or represented by the home link, as you can see here. And if I can click on any entry name and I'm redirected, as you can see, I'm redirected. Specification number 3, search. Load user type, the query search box matches the name. This should be, so let's write CSS and I'm redirected. If the query doesn't match the name and there is a substring, let's say O, I'm redirected to Django, Markdown, Python, which is the list. And if I click on it, I am redirected to the entry page. If there is not such an entry, I will get no result found. Specification number 4, new page. Clicking a new page, I will get the text area, as you can see here, and save button here on the button. When the page is saved, it could already exist, and let's say Harvard, yes, and I'm saved. And as you can see here, Harvard says. If the entry title already exists, then I will get an error message. Let's say error message. Yes, the entry already exists. And yes, so if it's this one, it is saved, as you can see here as well. Harvard. Then specification number 5, edit page. If I go to here, edit page, there's a text area, and inside the text area there is already pre-populated text with the existing Markdown content, as you can see here. I will write here more. I will save, and as you can see here, it's right here. Random page, specification number 6. Random page, as you can see here. Random page. It's working. And Markdown to HTML conversion is the specification number 7. As you can see here, I will Harvard, yes, and it's already converted to HTML. That's it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.